Okay, gang, back from Bass Pro. I've made a couple purchases over the past month. Picked up a nice little 380 tool, a little Smith & Wesson Easy, and because of that, we needed to pick up some 380 100 grainers. Yep, got 250 of them. Keep the missus happy because that's her piece she'll be shooting. And we picked up some 230 grain round nose, some berries, because I will be getting my 1911 delivered soon. Thank you, gunbroker.com. And we picked up, because of that particular weapon, we picked up 300 large pistol primers because we need primer, you know, so we could go shooting. And here's what it was. The primers looks like they're $9.49. And total was $93 with tax. So, recap. 300 large pistol primers, 45 ACP. We got 250 of them, and we got another 250 380s. Yep. Can't wait till we load them up.